Many developers use techniques like negative margins, floors, or position absolutes to achieve this layout. But in this video, I'm going to share with you a really simple technique to achieve it. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe this channel and click on the bell icon so that you will never miss any update of our upcoming projects. So as usual, we have just put the boilerplate, which is like the initial header, initial Google Fonts, custom CSS, and link the custom CSS file. And in CSS we have just this like margin 0, padding 0, and box sizing for this universal reset. And then we are converting here our browser default font size into 10 pixels so that we can utilize 1 RAM. And here we have set the font family, font size, and background color. And then this is the playground where we will utilize our form. We will create our form. So this what is doing is like adding the viewport height, and then we are horizontally and vertically centering all the things. Let's start with the container. In container we have form. Inside form we need only 2 elements, form control, and second one is button dot form btn. Okay, here I am assigning a submit, subscribe. So this is the form layout at the moment. Okay, we need to convert it to with our styles. So this layout is enough. Let's move to the styles. In style we need to add a class form, and then background color yellow. This yellow is just for the demonstration purpose so that you guys can get the idea what we are doing. And padding 0.8 RAM, box shadow 002 pixel, RGBA 000.07, and then border radius 3 pixels, and display flex. Okay, we will use it later. I will show you why I did this. The next part is to style the actual field. For styling the actual field, we will target the form control, which is this one, and we will add some padding, which is 0.8 RAM, and border, because I do not need the black border, 0. Then the next challenge will be like the outline. We need to remove the outline as well. When you focus on it, this black outline, we need to disappear it. For that, form control on focus. I don't want any type of outline. And the next part is button. For the button, I will add some padding from top and bottom 0.5 RAM, and on the left and right 0.8 RAM. Background color, which is F7 D070. I don't want any type of border here as well. I'm just saying border none. And if we look into the font family, this is not our Poppins font that we are utilizing. This is catching up the font from the browser. Okay, this one. So what we need here is to tell it to inherit the font size from our font family from the parent. Now it's working. Now it's getting and taking our font family. And the next thing is font weight. I want it to bold. and box shadow is 002 pixels, RGBA, and same for the cursor, pointer, and border radius, which is 3 pixels. Okay, maybe let's change its value so that I can demonstrate why I need to put display flex on the form. As you can see, there is a gap. It's because of the white space. So what we can do is we can change it to remove the white space like this, or the other way is to utilize the display flex box, which will automatically remove the white space between two elements. So what I can do now, same situation, and then display flex. So it's working fine now. So that's all we need to achieve this layout. The one thing that we can do is now is change its color to background white. Yeah, that's working fine. If you look into closely, this is the specific button over layout that we wanted to achieve. I think that's enough for this project. I will see you in the next one.